This is the Defender series from Otis. Designed to survive in the battlefield, the Otis Defender series brings military-grade resilience to firearm owners across America and around the world. Because if you make the cut with these guys, you can make it anywhere. It includes everything you need for thorough breech-to-muzzle cleaning. And when we say everything, we're not messing around. When you have time to break things down, Defender series gets the job done better than any competing system. But in this world, time isn't always on your side. When you need a quick cleaning, reach for the included Ripcord. As the industry's fastest one-pass cleaner, it removes copper, fouling, debris, and grit from your barrel in seconds. So when it's time to get moving, your cleaning can move just as fast. No military-grade system would be complete without a cleaning rod to get you through the toughest jams. The Defender series includes one that's easy to assemble and even easier to use. Pack all that into a durable case that's MOLLE strap compatible, and you have a kit that's equipped for the backwoods, the front lines, and every challenge in between. The Defender series. Only from Otis.